Hey guys, I look really bad today and I'm also very sick, so you'll have to excuse that, but today I have a lot of hauls to get through. I just got back from my trip in Queensland with my friends, and every time I seem to go on the plane or go away I always come back sick, so but anyway, I have a lot of hauls that I want to get through today, so let's just start. So this haul is going to be a Royal Essence and a Bath and Body Works haul, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, basically like a candle and body care. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with Royal Essence. So if you haven't heard of Royal Essence before, basically it's like bath bombs, candles, I think they've got like diffusers, body washes, body scrubs, all that kind of stuff, but in them you get a piece of jewelry, which is really cool. So how it works is you find a piece of jewelry wrapped in either a candle or like your bath bomb or whatever, and then they've got a little thing on their website. You enter the code and it tells you like how much your jewelry is worth. It's really fun and I really love Royal Essence. Their products are great and I feel like the jewelry is just like a added like extra, like it's just a bonus. So yeah, it's really cool. So I ordered a few things. First things that I got were the candles from their Halloween collection. So this one's called Sorceress. Says a captivating scent of wild peonies, did I say that right? And a boutique of lilies, the luxurious lily of the valley, wild peonies and gillyflower are mixed together to cast that magical spell you can't resist. So this is the packaging, it's super cute. This is how the actual candle looks. It's really cool and it smells amazing. It's super fresh smelling. And yeah, so that's the first one that I got. And then the other Halloween one they had was Fortune Teller. This one is: be allured by this sophisticated scent, a concoction of amber and orchid that delivers the magnificence of oriental orchid and boldness of amber mixed together with bergamot and heliotrope. Not too sure. But this is the packaging of this one. And this is how this jar looks. And once again, they smell really, really good. They're not super typical Halloween scents. Like I feel like, you know, when you think of Halloween, you more think of like the more sweet, like pumpkin or like, you know, like those kind of scents. But they still smell really nice. So then I also got the strawberry shortcake candle. This one says home cooked strawberry shortcake. Oh, home baked shortbread laid with thick whipped cream and fresh picked strawberries. Super cute packaging. Oh my god, as soon as I opened that I could smell it. And that's how it looks there, just a cute jar. And that smells incredible. Oh yum, smells really good. Yum. So those are the candles that I got from Royal Essence. And normally every time that like I'll do one of these videos, I will do like, I'll film an appraisal, like, you know, film the jewelry, so keep an eye out for that. Then I got one of their bath bombs. I've never tried their bath bombs before. This is the Rose Quartz Gemstone Bath Bomb. I don't have my scissors out here. Oh, hang on, here's some. I took my other scissors on holiday with me, so but I normally have some laying around to cut lashes and stuff like that. So this is the box for it. It's really cute. And then it's packed up super cute actually. Oh, and this is how it looks. It's like a diamond. It smells really nice. Does it say? Rose quartz is a reminiscent of a fruity and floral combination with peony petals and juicy lychee fruit that creates subtle freshness all throughout. And yeah, it smells really fresh. I'm really excited to use that actually. So yeah, I'll let you know how I go with that one. Also keep an eye out like on my Instagram stories, on my TikTok or whatever. Okay, then I got some bath crumble. This is the Sunshine Smoothie Bath Crumble. I've had a lot of their bath crumbles and like whipped soaps and stuff before and I really like them. This smells incredible. Super, super fresh. Okay, so then I also got a body scrub. This is the Candy Wonderland body scrub. Oh, it smells so good. I don't even know how to... Kind of smells like those old Whiz Fizz. Yeah, it really smells like, do you remember those like chewy Whiz Fizz bars? You could get them in like grape or like blue raspberry or something like that. They were really, really nice, and that's what that smells like. And then I got 2 whipped soaps. Okay, so the first whipped soap I got was pink cake batter. I absolutely love cake batter. It's like one of my favorite things in the world. Oh my god, guys. I couldn't even describe how good that smells. Like, I really, really, really want to eat it. Oh my god, that's incredible. That smells so, so good. And then the last thing I got is another whipped soap, and it is the lemon custard. Looks like this. I think the packaging of these is all so super cute. Oh, okay. This one isn't my favorite. It's fresh, but it kind of smells a bit like dishwashing liquid. Like I thought it'd be a little bit more sweet. It still smells good, don't get me wrong, but it's not my favourite scent out of the ones I got. Yeah, so that was everything I got from Royal Essence. I did used to have a discount code with them, but I don't think they do discount codes anymore, which is a shame. But honestly, Royal Essence is one of my favourite brands for like candles and stuff like that, so I highly recommend checking them out. Got heaps of super fun stuff on there. Okay, and then the last package that I wanted to show you guys today is one from Bath & Body Works. I've been waiting all year for their Halloween stuff, and I finally got some of it. So, okay, so I got a few candles, and I got some body stuff as well. So it came with this cute little thank you card. I haven't ordered in Bath & Body Works from Bath & Body Works for so long. Okay, so first thing I got was the Marshmallow Fireside. This is my all-time favourite scent in the whole entire world. Oh my god, I can't even describe it. It smells so amazing. I had an uncle who used to wear, well, he wasn't my uncle, he was my dad's uncle. And I loved him so much. He used to wear like this perfume, and I don't know what it was, but these candles smell so much like him. And he passed away, like, I don't know, when I was in primary school. And these candles just remind me of him so much, and that's why I love them so much. Like, they just smell so incredible. Marshmallow Fireside, my absolute favourite scent. And then I got the Champagne Apple and Honey. This is one of their fall scents, or autumn, sorry. Oh, that smells really good. Super like fresh, and then just a little hint of sweetness. I love like their autumn scents, like, you know, their pumpkin and their apple and all that kind of stuff. Like, I love like warm scents that smell like home. Like, those are my favourite kind of scents. I got some body care as well. I honestly thought I ordered more than this, but maybe I didn't. So I got one of their bath bombs. I've never tried their bath bombs before, but this is the pumpkin carving bath bomb. Can't really smell it through the packaging, but yeah, super cute. I got these 2 body sprays. So I got Champagne Apple and Honey, which is the same as the candle, and then I also got the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. And then I got the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte body cream, which I thought this one was bigger, but anyway, it smells really good. Not as good as I thought it would smell, I'm not gonna lie, but it still does smell really good, don't get me wrong. And then I also got the Champagne Apple and Honey body cream as well. Yeah, that one smells really good. Then I got more candles. I've had like their autumn scents and stuff before, but I don't think I've ever had their actual Halloween candles. And this year I was able to grab some, so I'm super excited about that. The range on Bath & Body Works Australia is very limited compared to like this United States and stuff, but I'm still super grateful that I got some of them. So, okay, so I got blueberry maple pancakes. Oh, absolutely incredible. Oh, it smells so good. It honestly smells like a pancake. Oh, I don't know how they do that. Like, I really don't know what they put in these candles, but they smell so good. And then we have pumpkin apple, which is incredible. Anything pumpkin, I absolutely love. Oh, yum! And then I got sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I like it. It smells a little bit fake though. It's kind of got like that plastic scent to it, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so, and then the last 3 candles that I got were the Halloween ones. So this one's called Vampire Blood. Oh, that smells really good. I feel like feel like it smells a bit like their winter candy apple, to be honest. It smells very similar to that, which is one of their Christmas scents. And then I got pumpkin carving. Oh, that smells so good. Yum. It's just like another pumpkin scent. And then the last one is girlfriend. Oh, yum. That smells... What is this? I've smelled this before. I don't know. What is it? I don't know what it is, but I've smelled something super, super similar. And this just smells so amazing. It's like sweet but fruity. But yeah, so that was everything I got from Royal Essence and Bath & Body Works. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It's been a while since I bought anything, but this is my favourite time of the year for buying stuff. It's like around like Halloween and Christmas. So there'll probably be a few more hauls coming your way soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!